Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to make your agents follow the path in 3D space. Let's first open our example file. Let's open the sample 85, the birds follow particle. We're going to use the same file as the previous video. You can see that this is a very simple origin agent bird, and the result any of the placement node and the perception content, also no logic here. Let's build from scratch. Firstly, let's open our menu and create a place node and make this a bigger number and increase the comb and increase the height layer, so make that they can be placed in 3D space. Increase the number and make this like a cube. Okay, cool. And make some noise in the horizontal and 3D space. Okay, like this. And then our agents can be generated in 3D space. Let's place our agents, and you can see that the birds generated in 3D space. And let's continue and create a curve, the CV curve tool. Let's curve this from here. Like this, and let's sculpt it by click F8 and control the point of that. It will start from here and move up and then move down and then try to move up again, like this, and something like this. This is a 3D space curve, and make this here. Okay, this is cool. And click F8 again for a confirmation your result. And then we select this, and in the knowledge perception here, let's convert that to the 3D path. You can see that a lot of circle has been created around this curve. So that means we successfully created this 3D path in our scene. So let's continue edit the some of the attributes for them. Firstly, let's just increase the width of this so that our agents can move in inside of this path, just like this. And then let's just increase the edge. This means if the agent is on the edge, it will try to move our agent to the center and fix this orientation. This will prevent our agent moving outside of this path. And this is a flow lens can indicate indicate the direction of this path. It's actually useless, but the visual helper for the better observatory. So at this time everything's set up okay. Let's build logic for our scene. Let's create our default logic here, and default is make this default, and the default action is flap, and we want to make it move forward as a default speed. Move forward as speed 10. So let's run a simulation and see what will happen. Please, and here you can see that our agent is flapping and move forward. You'd better create an action node and the action logic for make that a flap. So this is a more standard. The action playback, this should be flap. Okay, the result is the same, but more standard. And then the next thing, we're going to try to make our agent follow the path, which is very simple. We just needed to create 4 logic nodes and follow up here. in the input, there's the pass, min pass, and it point to up. So in this case, I need to make our agent rotate up, rotate us at speed 100. So please remember, we need to add the fuzzy logic here. I can 20, and create the follow done. min pass, and it points to down, and at this time I needed to rotate it down at speed 100, and the fuzzy range is 20. So this is symmetrical with the follow up. You can see that up down is symmetrical logic. And let's create the follow left and right. Follow left, and here we enable the pass. I'm in the pass, and it points to left, and fuzzy logic is 20, and let me rotate to left at speed 100. And of course the final, we need to create the follow right, and here the pass, in pass, and it points to the right with fuzzy logic, fuzzy range 20, and it point to the right. I needed to rotate it to the right, rotate it to right at speed 100. So you can see that the symmetrical logic has been created. The left 20 100, right, and up and down. So let's run a simulation. You can see that what happened. Our agent will try to follow the path. So let me make the this faster, like 50. Let's run the simulation again. You can see that your bird is follow the 3D path. This is very simple, and you can see that some of agent is the outside of that. That is because we needed to increase the length, the range, and the flow edge, and make the edge bigger, and so that our agent can follow that more closely. In the result, fly outside of this path. So you can see that this is very easy to set up, and this is a 3D path. It's pretty simple. And our 3D path is the same as the previous perception content we introduced. It also supports the indexing, so we select that, and you can see that there's a road ID here that indicates the index of this. If we change that to the for example 2 1, we can make our agent follow the specific path if the several paths overlap each other. So we can change that in the logic node, the path, for example, the square bracket 1. Please notice the naming convention. Square bracket 1 and square bracket 1. Hit enter. Please hit enter if you edit this, and you can see that our agent will try to follow this path. The also you can see that. But anytime if you just change the idea of this, for example, change to the free, it will not follow this anymore, because our logic will try to follow the first the indexed 1 path. So you can see that. Let's continue simulate. The agent will try to run out of the paths. Okay, this is our introduction for the 3D paths and the indexing techniques. Thank you for watching. See you next time.